afternoon guys, Lewis Bittle here from hairforall.com. Just wanted to give you a little talk around showering with your hair system. In terms of showering, I would sort of carry on as day-to-day life with your hair system, but the only thing in terms of tips and advice is what I'd strongly recommend is not to overwash your hair system, solely on the fact that you want to maintain that bond as long as you possibly can. Some people do choose to wash their hair every 2 to 3 days. I personally like to do it once or maximum twice a week, depending on product build-up. Now, when it comes to washing your hair, you know, I don't disregard using anything which is on the high street in terms of special shampoos or anything like that, because it doesn't overly make a difference. But I certainly would say in terms of the actual what you're doing when you wash the hair, it's all about making sure that you're not being too rough with the system because of the lace and the bond. So when you actually come to wash your hair, I put a sort of a 10-piece amount in your palm of your hand, emulsify it, and just basically plod it into the actual hair system and get that emulsifying of the product in the actual shampoo and around the system. Nothing too heavy, don't sort of do too much of the scrubbing motion because naturally you're going to weaken your bond, and you know you want to maintain your system as long as possible. I normally tend to do about 2 shampoos on that session, and then I basically towel dry my hair, and then what I do is put a conditioner on there and normally leave the conditioner on for around 5 minutes, just to let that soak into the hair to keep the hair at maximum condition. Then what I do is I rinse the actual conditioner off the hair, and then when I get out of the shower, I certainly wouldn't sort of recommend rough towel drying your hair, because naturally, again, you're going to weaken the bond, you're going to basically tear the hair out of the system, because naturally, if you're anything rough, you're going to be tugging it away and it's going to thin in your system. You want to literally get the towel over the head and just do stroking motions down to basically secure that bond where the moisture's gone into the actual scalp, and literally what that does is basically secures and keeps it nice and tight. And then what I do is get the leave-in conditioner, which you can buy from here at hairforall.com or online, and then you spray that on and then literally just gently brush through the actual hair, just to basically keep that into a loose style of how you'd normally style it before you blow dry. Any questions, please contact hairforall.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.